A new GTS model will replace the Turbo in Porsche's 2022 Macan crossover range. This year's Porsche Macan comes in 3 trim levels: Basic, S, and GTS. The standard Macan has a 261 HP turbo 4-cylinder engine, while the S is equipped with a 375 HP twin-turbo V6, and GTS is equipped with. Macan's 2022 model will go on sale in early 2022 with a base price of $56,250. The S and GTS models will follow.
Welcome to Life in Luxury. We provide you useful information that it will help you to live the luxury. If you are new here, welcome, and consider subscribing.
For the 2022 model year, Porsche is reorganizing the gas-powered Macan's trim levels and engine selection in preparation for an electric version's debut in 2023. Next year, the redesigned Macan will be available with the electric version, which will have a longer range than the Taycan and distinctive styling compared to the gas-powered version. A turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine with 261 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque is still used in the base Macans. According to Porsche, the car can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds, and it can reach a peak speed. The Macan S is also more powerful, thanks to a 375 horsepower twin-turbocharged 2.9-liter V6 engine from the previous generation Macan GTS. It succeeds the Turbo as the top-tier Macan in 2022, and it has the same 434 HP twin-turbo V6 as the previous Turbo. On paper, it should be faster than the 2020 Macan Turbo's 3.5-second sprint to 60 miles per hour. A 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox is standard on all Macans. Standard on the Porsche Macan S are Porsche's adjustable dampers and the sport suspension setup. As with the Cayenne, the Macan GTS is fitted with tungsten carbide-coated brakes, as well as air springs that lower the GTS by 0.4 inches compared to the other Macans. As part of the GTS performance package, you can add launch control, a torque vectoring rear axle, Pirelli P0 Corsa summer tires, sports seats, and additional black exterior trim to the vehicle. The 2022 Macan's exterior changes are modest, with a revised front end and a bigger black rear diffuser. There are 7 new wheels to pick from, with typical diameters ranging from 19 to 21 inches depending on the model. GTS versions are outfitted with new satin black 21-inch RS Spider design wheels, clear LED headlights, and a performance exhaust system with black tips. 2022's Macan's button-filled center console is replaced by haptic buttons, much like the Cayenne, and it has a shorter gear selector. Similar to the CA, the 10.9-inch touchscreen is still equipped with a navigation system and Apple CarPlay. In addition, the new Macan is equipped with the 911 steering wheel from the, priced at $56,250. The 2022 Porsche Macan will be available as early as 2022. They won't be available until spring 2022, and they'll start at $66,750 and $81,250. That is all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And here are the video we hand-picked for you to watch next. Life in Luxury, your personal mentor.